Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up Google Maps for business, so let's get right into it. Now, you have two different options for this. I'm pretty sure both of them do need a Google Business Center account, and you will need to have a business set up on the Google Business Center for it to be registrable or for you to register it on Google Maps pretty much. Now, if you have a business set up, you can easily go on Google Maps. I'm actually not sure if you need to have it set up, but it does come in very useful at a later date if you want to do some certain things. But if you want to just set up a business on Google Maps, I'm pretty sure you can just go to Google Maps, right click if you're on PC, or tap and hold if you're on phones, on the phone app, then right click and just add your business. Click on that, and that's going to actually open up the Google Business Center. So you're going to need to register your business there. And once you do, you will need to enter all the information or just select your business if you already have it set up, and you'll be able to add it to a certain location. Now, other than that, if you want to set up ads on Google Maps, you are going to need to connect your Google Business Center account or business with Google Ads, and you're going to need to go to Tools, connect the two using popular applications or extensions. And once you have the two connected, you can then go into your campaigns, and there you can set up a classic search campaign for your business, and that will automatically set it up for Google Maps as well without you needing to do anything extra. And that is pretty much all there is to it. It really is as simple as that. There really isn't anything else to mention. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.